Welcome in my tutorials. Rohit Chug is welcomes you to Career and Tricks as well. Today we will see how to configure and install Kickstart in our system. And what is Kickstart? What is Kickstart? Kickstart is the service in Linux in which we can configure all configuration in one system, and we can install in Linux in other systems without giving any instructions. We only have to give one command and installation will start automatically. It will take all required packages from our configured system. We do not have to give instructions differently. We only have to configure our system and advantages. So we should see advantages of Kickstart. We have lot of advantages of this. Suppose if we have 500 systems in our network, so it is not possible to give commands using CD, DVD. To individual system. So this will help you. This by using this service you can configure all requirements of others in your system, and with one command you can install Linux in that other system. Steps to be followed. Step 1. Package to be installed. System config system-config-kickstart. Let's see how to use it. Use yum installation to install it, or go on direct your RHEL ISO image directory and install from it directly. In previous tutorials we have shown how to install and configure yum, so you can see that tutorial and you can use yum as well. Now I have configured my yum, and now I will install my package. Yum install system-config-kickstart and press enter. -y because it will ask to you to whether you want to install it or not. So give here you want to install it. Kickstart is having 25 packages. It will take some time. After package installation, run following command. System-config-kickstart. Let's see in terminal. After running this command, your one window will open, which is the Kickstart configurator. Here is in basic configuration, you have to enter your keyword. In basic configurations, in keyboard select US English, in time zone select your time zone, like I will select India, Kolkata, Asia, Kolkata, and give the root password and confirm it. You want to specific installation key, then you can use, otherwise leave it as they are. This password will work on the system where you will install Linux using Kickstart. In installation method, you can use FTP. Here is a step B, installation method. In installation method, you can use FTP, and in FTP you can use your server. I am giving here FTP server 192.168.0.254. You can use as per you required. I have all data in RHEL image in directory /pub/RHEL60. I have all data in pub RHEL60, so I am giving this, but you can use any other if you have. 192.168.0.11 is in my case. It is an example only. Do not do anything in basic load options. Do now we will see in partition information. We will give the all information about partitions in this tab. Now we will go on partition information. Click on add. In partitions, make the partitions as we learned in how to install Red Hat Enterprises Linux Server 6 in our before tutorial. For this, see our previous tutorial. Here I am gonna give the boot first 200 MB space and click on OK. Then add. Then I will take second as root and I will give it here 20 GB or 20,000 MB. Add one more and here give the swap space. Swap space is the double to your RAM. If you have RAM of 1 GB, then you have to use the 2 GB. If you have 2 GB, then you have to use 4 GB. If you have RAM of 1 GB, it's not 1 GM, it's 1 GB, then give space 2 GB. Then go to network configurations. Network configuration, do not nothing. Then authentication, firewall. Just jump to the package section. You have to select all packages you want to install in other system using Kickstart. If you want to install from basic server, then use the whole packages of basic server. If you want to install the desktop one, then install the whole packages from desktop. If you want more features, then in desktop you can use KDE. If you want to play games, you want to see 3D movies and all, you have to install KDE. Without this you can't do anything. I'm gonna select the all from desktop debugging tools, desktop platform, fonts, general purpose directory, select all. I'm leaving KDE. If you want to use more features, then you can use KDE as well. Then just go to pre-installation script, do not do anything. Now we will save this work. Now save your work in directory var ftp /pub /rhel 60. No, it's not RHEL 60. You have to paste it, save it in on pub. That's how file save. Then browse the other options, then go to file system, then go to var ftp pub, then save. Now your Kickstart configurator is done. For this you should have FTP installed on your system. If you don't have, then install the package vs ftpd. You can install this using yum and also configure yum. For this you have to see our other video. Now we will restart FTP server and check FTP server is restarted or not. slash etc slash init.d slash vsftpd restart. You can use service space vsftpd space restart. Now we will check configurations. Check config space vsftpd on space on. Now our FTP is restarted and Kickstart is ready. Now last and important work you have to do. Go in how to install Linux using Kickstart. In another system or machine. In above process you have just configured Kickstart, but if you want to use it, then you have to run this command in other system. Step 1. Restart the another system where you want to install Linux using Kickstart. Step 2. After pressing restart button or after restart, when the restart will start, you have to press escape key from your keyboard and run the following command as per given below. Linux when you press escape key, then the boot option will appear and you have to enter following command and press enter. Linux space ks is equal to FTP :// 192.168.0.254/pub/RHEL60, because I have given in Kickstart configurator 192.168.0.1254 and directories pub/ks.cfg. It's not RHEL60, so remember this thing. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe my channel as well.